Unlock your Lincoln Town Car's potential with DIY key fob programming. No need for expensive dealership visits. This guide covers 2004 to 2011 models. These cars use Ford's passive anti-theft system, PATS, allowing you to pair remotes yourself. All you need is your key and the new fob. Newer aftermarket options are plug-and-play and more affordable, available from brands like Keyless Ride or Car Keys Express. Close all doors and insert the key. Turn the ignition to run, not start for 1 second, then off. Press and release the unlock button on the door panel. Repeat steps 2 and 3 more times. Turn the ignition to run. Press and hold unlock until the horn chirps. Within 10 seconds, press any button on the new fob. Horn confirms. Repeat for up to 4 fobs. Turn the ignition off to exit. If it fails, check fob battery, CR2032, and try again. If issues persist, disconnecting car battery for 30 minutes can help reset the system.